see.
But that was the sight from the tower camera of TV station WBMA in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. A massive tornado that devastated the town. At least 15 people are dead and more than 100 in the hospital in the college town of 83,000. Residents had little time to prepare.
All of us were called to the back to go into the meat cooler when it hit.
The tornado blew out windows and tossed around equipment at a local grocery store.
We saw it outside and got all the customers to go to the back of the store where it's safer away from the front.
Even hours after the storm, the wind was still whipping.
What were y'all doing?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
About 2 hours north in Cullman County, more destruction after two tornadoes touched down around the same time. Fires broke out and huge trees were uprooted, buildings and cars reduced to rubble. In Pell City, the chainsaws are out as residents try to pick up the pieces. Winds of more than 100 miles an hour blew through, killing at least one person. Neighbors here are overwhelmed, but grateful for their lives.
It is a blessing that I was not here, and God can do with it as He will.
You can replace a car and house, but it's hard to replace a soul.
The storm system is moving through Georgia now, with at least 9 deaths reported already. Storms and tornadoes have now killed at least 82 people in 4 states in the past 2 days.